करमळे 3 सप्टेंबराक पातोळ्याचे फेस्त जातले। दनपारां 2 ते 6 वरां मजगती करमळे नौसादी सिनोरा कपेल कडेन फेस्त भरतले। फेस्ताक इला गोवाच्या गोवा कृषी महाविद्यालयाचो सांगात मेळ्ळा।
I'm the host for this Patolichem fest, and I'm hosting it at my place. We are Alidi of Paiti Chapel in Karmali. People have heard only of Karmali as a railway station. There is a railway station, Karmali railway station, but they have not gone deep into the village to see the other aspects of our village. So this time we are going to celebrate the Patolichem fest at my place, and it will be from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. on 3rd September. I am inviting each and everyone to witness this traditional Patolichem fest.
I am filled with excitement as I extend this invitation to partake in this all-encompassing celebration. Embracing the richness of diversity, we are eagerly anticipating the participation of all as we come together for a dynamic inter-community event that rekindles treasured Goan customs which are very close to our hearts. Let's stand together in our dedication to a more environmentally conscious future by reducing the usage of plastic as much as possible. Our festivals signify a revival of time-honored traditions which are very cherished of Goa. Our multicultural gathering will savor the exquisite tastes of Goan sweets, and you surely don't want to miss out on the enlightening workshop focused on Patoyo and Baatika.
A Patolichem fest with a workshop on millets as well. There will be a presentation of millets. Why are we different from others? We do not take sponsors. There is no alcohol. There are no chief guests. There are no prizes, there are no competition. Every person who turns up on the day is the chief guest, is our idea. There will be workshops, so it's a festival of learning and sharing. We want people to come and learn. There will be so many things there. And as Prakash Bab said, people from the disability sector are going to be with us that day. So we need to sit with them, ask them the issues and help each other. So that's why we do these festivals. And it will be an interesting experiment to have a festival in somebody's courtyard. So Angela's courtyard, beautiful place they have, and she's going to be inviting all the neighbors. So our festivals are cross-community. You know, we'll be having KONKANI song with Fugri, and there are colleges taking part, which is the Goa College of Agriculture. So all in all, this is going to be a power-packed program. We even are going to see a young boy coming and singing Konkani rap. You know, I don't know many rappers in Goa, but he will be coming to sing. He's from Nechase. So, I mean, you know, our festivals are such that we open doors for the next stars of Goa.
GOA365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी।